In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use app.photoroom.com to enhance your photos easily and effectively. As we dive in, I'll guide you through each step with clarity, so you can follow along without any hiccups, making sure your photos come out just how you envision them. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the Photoroom website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in app.photoroom.com. Once you've arrived at the home page, keep an eye out for the Create button. It's your gateway to transforming your photos, so go ahead and give it a click. Now that you're in the Creative section, the next thing you'll want to do is upload the photo you'll be working on. Simply look for the Select Photo button. It's usually quite prominent, designed to make uploading quick and hassle-free. Clicking it will prompt you to choose a file from your device. Select the photo you want, and you'll see it appear on your screen, ready for editing. Once your photo is uploaded, direct your attention towards the Adjust button. You should find it easily as it's one of the primary options. Clicking on Adjust will then bring up several editing tools designed to enhance different aspects of your image. One of these important tools is the sharpness adjustment. The sharpness slider is particularly useful if your photo looks a bit soft or if you want to highlight details. By dragging the slider, you can increase or decrease the sharpness of your image, adding clarity or a soft focus effect. The key here is not to overdo it. Too much sharpness can introduce unwanted artifacts, so adjust carefully. You'll find it effective, especially if you need to draw attention to particular details in your photo. Feel free to play around with the slider until you find that sweet spot where your image has just the right amount of detail and clarity. Remember, the best edits don't scream for attention. They gently guide the eyes to see what you want them to see. After fine-tuning the sharpness to your liking, your last step is usually to save your edited image. Look for a Save or Download button. By clicking that, you can either download the photo directly to your computer or save it to a cloud storage solution if that's an option you prefer. With these simple steps, you're now able to enhance your photos with ease using app.photoroom.com. Practice a bit, and soon you'll find yourself making quick, effective edits like a pro. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!